my sight before I make you regret it! I mean it this time!
Please, calm down!
Today I'm going to show you a channel that has uploaded only 27 videos, and you'll be shocked after seeing its views. This channel is getting millions of views. You can see some videos have 115k views, 857k views, and even 11 million views. Yes, millions of views on multiple videos. And the channel is fully monetized as well. You can also check the estimated earnings of this channel. Last month's estimated income was around $16.8K. I checked this channel using YouTube Social Blade and Google Chrome, and the income statistics are clearly visible there. If you also want to check the channel's earnings, simply copy the channel name and paste it into Social Blade. Then you'll be able to see the estimated monthly income. You can see that the channel is earning anywhere between $3K to $49K per month. Yes, this is the estimated monthly income of the channel. You can check the channel yourself, and you'll see that it is fully monetized. The best part is that you can also create the same type of videos completely for free and very easily. In this video, I'll show you the complete process step by step, including how we create these videos for free and how to use the prompts properly. Because prompts are the most important part of making viral AI videos. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So now, let's get started and see how we can. First of all, friends, what you need to do is open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, copy the first green prompt. Then click on Bro, I want my channel to look like this. Okay, click it. Paste the prompt there. After that, ChatGPT may ask you to provide some links. So what you need to do is give 2-3 channel links as examples. For example, I'll paste one link here and another one here. These will be the channels whose style of videos I want to create. As soon as I paste those links, ChatGPT will analyze them and figure out what works best for that type of content. After that, the next step is to copy prompt 1, the red one, prompt 2, the second red one, and the green one below them together. Copy all of them and paste them into ChatGPT. As soon as you paste them, it will generate a short video story for you. I'm talking about shorts first, not long videos, because shorts grow faster and also get monetized quickly. Once I paste the prompts, you can see it creates a 150-word story automatically. If you want, you can also change it to 200 words by editing the prompt at the end. Then it generates scene-by-scene image prompts and video prompts. Scene 1 prompt, Scene 2 prompt, and so on. It gives both image prompts and video prompts exactly in the style I want. For image generation, the website I use is leonardo.ai. It's an amazing website and I personally use it myself. Click on Start Now. On this website, you can generate images and videos daily for free. Click on Image. After that, select the model called Phoenix 1.0. I mention this model in every video because its results are excellent. Then click on Custom and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16 because we are creating vertical videos. Now copy the image prompt and paste it there. As soon as you paste the prompt, the image generation will start. You can see the result is amazing. In the same way, keep copying and pasting the prompts one by one, and all your images will be generated. The quality is HD, and the results look fantastic. You can see all the images are ready now, and the output looks incredible. This is how you can easily create images on leonardo.ai. Now for making the videos, let me tell you which website I use. Now for video creation, the first website is freevideogen.online. It's a really amazing website, and I personally use it myself. You should definitely try it too, especially if you want to create videos for free, because the results are high quality and look fantastic. Once you open the website, your screen will look something like this. Don't worry when you see all the options, it's actually very simple to use. What you need to do is upload your image here. After the image is uploaded, paste the prompt in the section below. Then set the video duration. Usually I keep it between 1 to 5 seconds depending on the scene and what looks best. After setting everything up, click on Generate Video. As soon as you click it, the video generation will start. You can see that the first video is now ready, and the result looks amazing. The quality is really impressive and cinematic. Now the second website that I'm going to use for creating videos is also really amazing. Let me show you how you can create videos on that platform as well. Now let's move to the second website, which is also absolutely amazing. We have used this website before as well. The name of the website is Flow Labs. Just search Flow Labs on Google and open the first website that appears. This is a really powerful and high-quality platform for creating AI videos. The best thing about it is that it gives free daily credits, and a lot of users are already using it. I personally use it too, because the results are really impressive. When you create a new account with a fresh email, it gives around 150 free credits at the start. After that, it continues giving daily credits, which is a huge advantage. So if you use a new email, you can keep getting free credits regularly. Now let me show you how to use it. First, click on New Project. After that, click on the Start option. Then upload your image. Once the image is uploaded, click on the three dots and then click on Add Prompt. Now simply paste your prompt there. As soon as you paste the prompt, the video generation will start automatically. Now I'll upload the next image as well. After uploading the second image, I'll paste its prompt too. Now both videos will start generating at the same time. The first video is already ready, and let me show you the result. You can see the quality looks amazing and very professional. The output from this website is seriously impressive, and you can easily create high-quality AI videos with it. Now the second video has also started generating, and it's ready too. You can check the result, it looks fantastic as well. So this is how you can easily create AI videos on this website without any difficulty. Now let's move to the next step, where I'll show you how to generate AI voiceovers for free. Now for generating unlimited AI voiceovers for free, the software I use is called Unlimited AI Tools. With this platform, you can generate free voiceovers daily without any problem. What you need to do is paste your paragraph or script here, whatever text you want to turn into a voiceover. After that, select the voice you like. There are different voice options available such as Blaze and many more. Personally, I think Blaze has the best and most natural voice, so I usually select Blaze. Then, in the default settings, choose the voice style you want. Since we are creating storytelling videos, I select the storytelling style because it sounds more engaging and professional. After that, simply click on Generate Voice. Within a few moments, your AI voiceover will start generating. You can check the voice result. The quality sounds really good and natural.
3D animated cartoon scene. A cute fluffy blue mouse standing beside a bright green baby parrot.
Now the voiceover is ready. Oh, now let's move to the next and final step, where we will edit the complete video and make the final cinematic result now. I'll show you exactly how to edit your videos professionally and turn them into stunning cinematic AI videos with ease. For editing, I'll be using CapCut, one of the best video editing software options available. It's simple, powerful, and perfect for beginners. First, import your AI-generated videos and voiceover into CapCut. Then, start editing them professionally. CapCut comes with amazing features like smooth transitions, cinematic effects, filters, text animations, background music, and much more. Here, I'll add professional effects, sync the voiceover perfectly, and complete the final editing process. And that's it. Our cinematic AI video is now fully ready. You can watch the final result now. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.